In an era where artificial intelligence is reshaping every domain, warfare is no exception. Introducing the M-5 Robotic Combat Vehicle, the United States' latest leap into unmanned ground warfare. A fully autonomous machine with lethal capabilities, it's not just a tank, it's a revolution. The M-5 Robotic Combat Vehicle, or RCVM, is the U.S. Army's next-generation unmanned ground platform, designed to support and even replace manned units in high-risk environments. Developed by Textron Systems in partnership with defense contractors, this advanced platform is part of the Army's broader modernization efforts under the Next Generation Combat Vehicle program. Unmanned, heavily armed, AI-driven, the M-5 is built for the battlefield of tomorrow. Armed with a powerful 30mm XM813 chain gun, anti-tank missile pods, and a variety of remote weapon stations, the M-5 can neutralize both armored vehicles and fortified positions. Its modular turret supports diverse payloads including Hellfire missiles, loitering munitions, and non-lethal counter-drone systems. What makes it exceptional is not just its firepower, but its situational awareness, powered by advanced optics, thermal sensors, radar, and AI-assisted targeting. From detecting targets to engaging threats, the M-5 does it all, without a single soldier on board. Despite being a robotic vehicle, the M-5 is no slow crawler. It offers high-speed maneuverability across complex terrain, thanks to a hybrid electric drive, independent suspension, and track systems optimized for urban and rugged warfare. Whether it's desert combat, forested areas, or urban clearing operations, the M-5 is built to lead. What truly sets the M-5 apart is its artificial intelligence. Equipped with machine learning algorithms, the vehicle can identify threats, follow units, and even make split-second decisions in combat scenarios. Operators can control multiple M-5 units from a remote command center, reducing human exposure and increasing tactical flexibility. AI gives it the ability to navigate, patrol, and engage, autonomously or semi-autonomously, depending on mission parameters. This is not remote-controlled warfare. This is intelligent warfare. The M-5 isn't just a fighting platform, it's a force multiplier. It can conduct armed reconnaissance, act as a forward combat scout, provide direct fire support, transport critical supplies, deploy electronic warfare modules, and serve as a decoy or sensor drone launcher. In high-risk zones where human survival is uncertain, the M-5 leads the charge. The U.S. Army has conducted extensive trials with the M-5 in diverse terrains, from Fort Hood to Yuma Proving Ground. Feedback from soldiers has been overwhelmingly positive, especially in terms of its interface simplicity, threat identification, and responsiveness. The U.S. plans to integrate RCVs like the M-5 into armored brigades by 2027, transforming how the Army conducts warfare on land. Globally, this development is setting a new precedent. Nations like Russia, China, and Israel are accelerating their own robotic combat programs. The M-5 represents the beginning of a new arms race, not one measured by troop numbers, but by code, sensors, and AI superiority. The battlefield is evolving, and so are its warriors. But the rise of autonomous warfare isn't without concern. Global defense analysts and humanitarian organizations have raised serious ethical questions about deploying machines with the power to take human lives. Should lethal decisions be left to algorithms? The debate continues, but the technology is already here. The M-5 robotic machine tank is more than a marvel of engineering. It is a symbol of how modern combat is transforming, fast, intelligent, and increasingly unmanned. For the soldier of tomorrow, the battlefield will be smarter, and perhaps more machine than man. This is AKA Fighter Jet Force, where we decode the future of global military power. If you're passionate about advanced military tech, fighter jets, and battlefield innovation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more. Question of the day. Do you believe AI-driven combat vehicles like the M5 are the future, or a risk too dangerous to allow? Let us know in the comments below.